So I'm always getting the question, Stevie, why is it that when I launch a new product that I see winning for another store, why is it that it's not winning for my store? You know, I did the same exact thing. My page looks exactly the same as theirs. You know, all the little pop-ups and things like that are the same. But why is it that when I run ads, I can't get the same results as this store over here who's doing millions of dollars with the same product, right? So, you know, people ask me that. I'm seeing this issue a lot, like when it comes to, you know, e-commerce and you know, other online stores. But one thing that is very important that you got to realize is that data is king. So, for instance, yeah, you may be running the same product as this other store. Y'all may be doing the exact same things, but that other store probably has a shit ton of data. Like, that other store was probably open for, you know, a year or two. You know what I'm saying? Or they've been running that product a lot longer, so they've been able to gather data from running these ads. They've been able to gather customer data. Their Facebook pixel is firing. They're getting all these add to carts. They're getting all these purchases and stuff like that. So their pixel knows exactly who they need to target to get the sales. You know what I'm saying? On top of that, they can run, you know, lookalike audiences and, you know, all these other advanced Facebook techniques to get the sale. So keep in mind, you know what I'm saying? It's all about testing. Test, because just because one product worked for a certain store and they made millions of dollars on it doesn't mean that it's going to work for you. You know, every store is different. Data is king. So continue to collect that data. Run your Facebook ads. Get it. Let's get successful this year. You know, we got about, you know, 4 or 5 months left in the year. Third and fourth quarter is the time to absolutely crush it. This is the time when we made the most money ever last year, you know. So let's get it, man. You know, rich from anywhere. Peace and love.